I will be doing the unboxing of musical string violin. So I ordered this from Amazon. So MRP is written 6,999, but I got it for 4,000. So the packaging is not that good. There should have been one extra box around this. But you can see it's just a wrap around the main box. So this is the main box, and there is a small plastic also over this box. Now I have got rid of the plastic, and this is the main box. So nothing here. Let's look inside the box. So here is the bow. This is the violin itself. It looks very light. So these are the wires and fine tuners. So I need to set these wires. These are not correctly set at the moment. So I will do that later. And then we have one extra set of wires. So I will keep it in the box. And then some instruction guide. So you can hear the sound right out of the box. So let's see the bow quality. So this is the bow, and it's already tightened, so I don't need to tighten it. But I need to apply rosin on it in order to play the guitar, the violin. And then we have the rosin. So I will apply it on the bow and then play the violin. So first you can see that no sound will come. So I will apply the rosin and play the violin later. So that was a brief unboxing of musical string violin.